Guys, what's up? It is yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I'm back with another video on this look. I had no idea where I was going with this, but yeah, I just felt like, you know, playing in my makeup a little bit, and like I'm pressed because the girl looks, she looks bomb. Just saying that, she looks bomb. But before I go into this video, hold up. Stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, turn your bell notifications on, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video. If you like me talking through everything, other things you want to see on my channel. I have a lot of things in store, so stay on the lookout for a lot of content from me. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, all that good stuff, share my video, stalk me on social media. And yeah, I'm done rapping, I'm done running on and talking. Let's just get into the video. First things first, Amaryllis. I'm taking my Master Conceal straight to my lids as a primer. Okay, now that that's good and dandy, I'm gonna take a random blending brush, get a little bit of air spun translucent powder found at your local anywhere, Walmart, Target, CVS. Dusting this all over. Set this good old concealer in place. Making sure everything is secure for the look. So, okay. I think we're ready. So, let's get started. I will be using both the Take Me Back to Brazil and the BH Studio Pro palette. So I'm gonna start with the green. I think I'm gonna start with this one. This green right here. Tap some of that on a little bit too much. I'm gonna take this kind of directly under the brow. See that? Let me bring the palette a little closer. So I ain't reaching all around the world for it. So take that green and just okay, we're good. The next color I'm going to use is different brush. It's a little lighter, fluffier, longer hairs. Going to mix this green and this green. A little bit of both. Give it a tap. Beautiful color, beautiful. And I'm pretty much gonna go right straight into the crease. Okay, so I put the Brazil palette down for a little bit and I picked up a Fresh Clean. This is the third blending brush I'll be using, and I'm taking the dark green here, and I'm not like swirling it, I'm patting it. So this is a little damp. I dampen this one a little bit. Okay, put it down, and I'm just gonna take this and the lowest part of the crease on the outer corner. I'm not gonna push this one too far in. Tapping on the outside. I didn't even have an initial like thought for this. I was just like, you know what, let's just do something green. I haven't done a green video since like last year, and so far I'm seeing tons of improvement, and that's the goal. Sorry, hold on. Move that mirror out the way, I couldn't see anything. But yeah, repeating the same thing over here. Hopefully this turns out good. So far, so good. And dusting it just ever so lightly in the middle. Like that's it. So now I'm gonna take another one, not this found one. So I'm going to take this palette one more time, but I'm just gonna use it for the black. And this one is like it has a flat top on the brush, like it's flat. But this one is good for like precision, and I'm really taking this to the bottom and pretty much the center. And for this, I'm doing like windshield wiper motions, like ooh, 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 rainy day, windshield wiper motions. Look beat up like me yet? No? Okay. So taking the brush and using the green from dark green from this palette, I'm just going to take a little bit, dust some of that off, and reinforce that green color again. I don't want the black overpowering, but it's okay because all this, there's not going to be much black in a little bit. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is take a master conceal, and this is in the color medium. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, like so, with a flat concealer brush, as demonstrated in the video. Flatten it out, get a little bit of this good stuff, and we're going to cut a nice crease. So I like to look down as I'm doing it, and then I'll like sometimes look up because I do have a hooded lid. For my hooded lid girls out there, you're not alone. So I'm gonna start here. Okay, so this side's done. I'm going to do this side, and I'll be right back. So this is after I cut the crease or whatever. So I'm going to take that first brush I used with the lightest green, going back into the Brazil palette. I'm going to take, so I'm going to go back in with the medium greens, I guess. Would you call these medium greens? I don't know. So, whatever. Taking the medium greens, kind of blend it on. Okay, see that? It's coming together, y'all. The next thing I'm gonna do is grab another flat brush, and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of this stuff right here, the next matte finish. Get a little wet, whatever. Going back into the Beach Pro palette, I'm gonna take this green right here. This beautiful green. Let me swatch it for you. I have never actually used this green, but it is so gorgeous. So I got some, and I'm just gonna up, down motions right in the center and over the top like that. Ooh, this so pretty. yeah, so I need everybody to get this palette. It's literally stunning. Like, wow. You'd have thought this was some glitter, like some loose glitter. Oh my gosh. But yeah, inexpensive palette. It ran me, I don't forgot honestly, but just know it will be linked in the description box. Cause I know y'all see this. Like, kind of fanning it out, but just at the top. I'm keeping all this glitter goodness. Use my finger. Like sometimes the finger is better. Doing these things. Do I want to use anything else? So pretty. I think I'm gonna grab the color next to it using the flip side because it's clean. It still has a little bit of that and a little bit of this. I'm going to be using those two colors and I'm just gonna top it off with a little like goldish. Oh my gosh. Smart decision, sis. Smart decision. Because this is beautiful. And then the next thing, so I'm back with the liner on. No wing, just something simple. It's kind of thick, little thick ones. But nothing too much. So I'm gonna finish my face, get all this together because I gotta fix this up. And I'm gonna come back with everything done. So yeah, stay tuned. BRB. So guys, this sort of wraps up the whole look. I had no idea what I was going for in the beginning, but I am very pleased with the way it came out. I added some lashes. I put on some lipstick. This is a brown lipstick from Maybelline, and I also added a ColourPop lip stain. All that's going to be linked down below. Also put a little gloss and a little bit of the highlighter I used on my face, on my lips. Like, I didn't even know I had it in me. But before I sign off, make sure you are subscribed, notifications on, so you're notified when I'm posting, because I will be posting a lot more. I will be explaining where I've been, why I haven't been posting as frequently as I should. That will all be explained in a little video or something, you know what I'm saying? But I have a lot in store for you guys. Got a couple wig reviews coming up, so make sure you subscribe, make sure that bell is notification thing is turned on. Make sure you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, smash that like button please, share this video, follow me on social media, stalk me on social media, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching Chipmunk Beauty.